are in our severe preparedness week, and we're talking about dust storms today, which we get a lot of them that move through the area for us here in West Texas, especially during the months of March, April, and May. Now, what are causing these dust storms? Typically, we could get a thunderstorm that can cause these dust storms, especially in our dry area, and then those strong winds will begin to pick up. Now, we are also going to have the potential of dust storms picking up from cold fronts. So thunderstorms and cold fronts can cause those dust storms. Now, usually when those cold fronts move through, which is like the one we just had recently, that cooler air kind of undercuts that warmer air, and then it makes our pressure gradient increase, and then that dust really starts to kick up with gusty winds exceeding over 50, even 60 miles per hour at times. So it really could pick up that dust from the ground into the air, especially with the thunderstorm. So this is what we're having right here. This is a thunderstorm that will kick up some of the dust storms that we could potentially see during this severe weather season. Now, a wall of dust will form, and then we also could get debris mixed into that wall of dust. So not only will it hinder visibility, there also could be some debris picked up and even blowing around in it as well. So it is going to cause some hazardous driving conditions that could potentially lead to, unfortunately, some accidents, especially with the limited visibility. Now, visibility can drop pretty quickly, even less than a quarter of a mile, and even zero visibility is possible as well. And not only do dust storms cause problems driving, also flying. They can also cause mechanical issues for planes. So if you have any flights that are planned or heading out, check for cancellations or delays, especially if we do have a dust storm moving through, or if we're projecting to have winds over 50 miles per hour, and dust storms can be possible, especially for us here during the months of March, April, and May. Now, it also could cause some breathing issues. So if you have asthma and these dust storms do start to pick up and you wonder why maybe it's triggered, well, the dust in the air and also some particles could kind of mix in and cause some of those breathing issues. And it also could kick up your allergies. So stick with us throughout this severe weather season, and we'll keep you updated and safe as these dust storms do move through. Victor?
All right. Now